Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do SAM and a module project 2 Excel module 1 getting started with the Excel. Basically this is the second project of first module of Excel section of this course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step so that you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email, and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So first of all, we will download the files. So I have downloaded the files. There are two files. One is the instruction file and other one is the solution file. So I will open the instruction file first, that is the Word document. So this is the instruction file. New perspectives, Excel 365, 2021, module 1 and of module project 2. And the title of the assignment is Ortiz-MacMalley Electric. That is title of this assignment. And getting started with the assignment, we are supposed to download and open this Excel workbook NP EX365 2021 and a module 1 project 2. So I have already downloaded this file. So this is the file that we are going to use to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions, all the steps to this Excel file, this Excel workbook, and we will make this Excel workbook in the final form for the summation. So you have to download this first because we are supposed to solve all the questions in this Excel workbook. So this Excel file must be downloaded. That is mentioned in getting started section. So there is nothing else in getting started section. Now we will move to project steps, and total steps to complete this project are 16. So we are supposed to solve 16 questions or 16 steps to get this assignment ready. So I will solve step by step, and you are just supposed to follow me if you want to get this done for you. Now let's start doing the questions. Verdi Hansen is a student in electrician training program. As part of her internship with Ortiz-MacMalley Electric, she uses Excel to update price estimate for projects that the company is bidding on. Begin on the wall Verdi worksheet by inserting a new column to the left of column C and selecting the format same as right column button from the insert column option menu. Then change the width of new column to 2.25. So basically, we are supposed to move to wall Verdi worksheet, and we are supposed to insert a column to right of column C. Left of column C. So this is the column C, and we are supposed to insert a new column to left of this column. So to insert a new column to left of this column, just go to Home tab and in cells, go to Insert and click Insert Sheet Columns. Now you can see that we are supposed to format same as right. Okay. Now you can see that we have inserted a new column to the left of column C, and now it become new column C. Now we are supposed to change the width of this column C to 2.25. So select this new column, go to Home tab, in cells group go to Format and click column width. Now we are supposed to make it 2.25. This one. So this is new column. That is all about step number 1. So we are done with first step. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 2. Cut the contents of range A16 up to B19 and paste them into range A12 up to B15. So now we are supposed to cut the content of A16 up to B19. So A16 is here, up to B19 here. So select this range, and we are supposed to cut this range, cut the content of this range, and we are supposed to paste them on a new range, that is A12 up to B15. So first select the range A16 up to B19, go to home tab and click cut. Now we will select our second range, that is A12 up to B15. So select A12 up to B15. Okay, we have selected. Now click paste. So now you can see that we have moved the content of that range to this new range. That is all required in step number 2. So we are done with second step as well. Now let's do third step. Adjust the width of column B to 14 point. So now we are supposed to adjust the width of column B to 14 point. So column B is here. Select this column, go to home tab, then go to cells in format, click column width and make it 14 and click OK. So now width of column B is 14 point as required in that step. So that is all about step number 3. So we have completed 3 steps of this assignment so far. Now we gonna do next step of this assignment, that is step number 4. Now it is saying that adjust the height of row 1 to 24. So now we are supposed to adjust the height of row 1 to 24. So this is row 1. We are supposed to make the height of row 1 to 24. So first of all we will select this row. So I have selected the row. Then go to home tab, in format, click row height. Now make it 24 and click OK. So we have changed the width of row 1 to 24 point high. That is all required in step number 4 of this assignment. So that's mean we are done with 4 steps of this assignment. Now we gonna do next step, that is step number 5. Step number 5 is saying select cells A4 and D4, then change the font size to 12 point. So we are supposed to select A4, then press and hold the control button, then select D4. So we have selected both cells A4 and D4. Now we are supposed to change the font size to 12 points. So go to the home tab, in font section, change the font size to 12 points. That is all required in this step. So we are done with this step as well, and now we gonna move to next step, that is step number 6. So step number 6, enter the values shown in table 1 into corresponding cells in the range F6 up to G9. So now we are supposed to enter these values that are given in this table, and we are supposed to enter these values in this range, that is F6 up to G9. So first we are supposed to type 1 in cell F6. So go to cell F6, type 1. Then we are supposed to type 1 in cell F7, 2 in F8, 9 in F9. 1 here, 2 here and 2 here. Okay. Now we are supposed to type 8.00 in cell G6. So in G6 we are supposed to type 8.00. Okay. Now in G7 we are supposed to type 15.25. 15.25. Now in G8 we are supposed to type this value. So I am simply copying and pasting here. So you can copy as well as you can type. So I have copied and pasted all the values. So that is all about step number 6, where we were supposed to copy the values, or we are supposed to enter the values in the corresponding range. So that's mean we are done with step number 6. So now we gonna do next step, that is step number 7. In cell D7, change the contents to read senior electrician. So in D7, D7 has electrician, but we are supposed to change the contents to read senior electrician. So we will type senior electrician here. Okay, so now we have changed the text from electrician to senior electrician. As mentioned in step number 7, we were supposed to change the text electrician to senior electrician. So we are done with step number 7. Now we are going to do next step, that is step number 8. In cell H10, create a formula to total the cost of labor for current estimate by using the auto sum button to sum the values in the range H6 up to H9. So in H10 we are supposed to use a sum function. We can do this simply by using the sum function here. Here we got the result, and you can see that our results are exactly same as in the instruction. So that's mean we have done that step correctly. That is step number 8. We were supposed to use auto sum, so I selected this range. Okay, then I went to editing, and here auto sum, select sum, you will get the result. Okay, so that is all about step number 8. So we are done with step number 8. Now let's do step number 9. Select the formula in cell H6, then copy it to the range. So I have already copied it. So you can do this by using this fill handle. Okay, so I have copied that. So I have solved 9 steps for you in this video. That is more than half of the assignment that I have solved for you in this video. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another useful solution. Thank you so much again.